Yes, you're clear.
Yes, thank you. First of all, thank you for inviting us, and be given a chance to be heard nationally and internationally. I understand the foreign over here watching and listening to all of us. And thank you for also standing up for thousands na sinasabi nila, no? The thousands of Filipino-Chinese men and women in the country. Thank you for speaking up for those who have been victims of racism, who have been victims of discrimination. Thank you for standing up with us. The local government unit of Tuguegarao categorically denied it has any money for any terms and to study in Tuguegarao City. They Chinese of Chinese ancestry or race, be they Japanese, Korean, Nigerian, Indonesians, Indians, tapong minsan so na lumabas sa kaban ng Tuguegarao City for foreigners simply because this is not allowed. COA and the DBM, we have our own Filipino students whom we need to support. Tuguegarao City government, you nice that we are that we post the EDCA sites. The Tuguegarao City government stands by its educational institutions who are structured their own fields to everyone who wants to come to Tuguegarao City. Any foreign national individual wants to come to Tuguegarao is welcome. Are safe. We have the best here. We have safe community. We have a peaceful community. Ask the national government lay down its policy clearly. As the national government fix foreign policy, may away po between nations or between government to government. Let government to government solve it. Let us not involve individuals on the ground. Let us not involve citizens. Just want to learn from us. Let us not insult Tuguegaraweños saying, "Ay Tuguegarao." Ask back, why not Tuguegarao? Why not Dayan? Our place would like to tell people it's a home for you, for me. Please, everyone, you're welcome to come to Tuguegarao City. No fear, we're not racist here. Ask the politicians of different agendas, stop. Feel it is to be a real Filipino. Tayong mag-incite ng hatred. There is no room for hatred. There is no room for racism. Huwag tayong mag-incite ng gulo because something happens. Anyone, the Filipinos themselves, Tuguegaroeños, foreigners, something happens. Will we be able to answer for this people? Will we be able to talk to their families and tell them? Was one person, was a public leader, tried to stop hatred. Will I be able to say, mahal ko ang Pilipinas, Pilipino ako, di man sa dugo, sa gawa, sa isip at sa diwa, Pilipino ako. Therefore, uunahin ko kapakanan ng Pilipino. Hindi ko mag-uudyok ng gera, hindi po ako mag-uudyok hatred towards other nationalities, towards other races. Sa huli, kung may mangyayari, kawa ang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig sa amin, and we hope an investigation is going to be done. It will not be personal, it will not be political. Instead, it will dwell on the policies need to be changed if there are policies that need to be changed. We hope that any inquiry be in of legislation to all in aid of legislation and not in aid of execution. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Afternoon, everyone.